Sorry, last few days I couldn't do any recording. I was not keeping well. Even today, I'm slightly better, but not that great. You can make out from my voice, not in a great shape. So I'll just give you a quick brief in terms of what is happening. This is my current position. USD INR 12k profit is running, 3k I have booked today. In terms of the strategy, this is what it is right now, and in next few days, not few days, today is Wednesday, so Thursday, Friday, by day after tomorrow, this can go up to 52,000. Let's see, finger crossed. In terms of holding, this is what it is. Today for the first time it has crossed above 13, and this has been the situation. Stocks has been going good. Apar yesterday went 1000% plus. Now it is 993. So this has had a rock steady run. I'm like, why I didn't invest more. This was like only an experimental thing. I put 6k in Apar, and now the 6k has become close to 69k. So yeah, so this has been the portfolio, growing steadily, no problem as such. In terms of my account for the month of May, this has been F&O. I was minus. I did some trade. I'm sharing all the trades also, so you can have a look. Currency 116, so this is like 117 I have done here. And my second account, here booked some profit. Here today in equity I have booked another I think 20-25k, at least 15-20k, so this will go up to 70-75 for sure. But tomorrow I'll get the updated thing. I have booked some profits today. This is F&O. Another 30-40k is there in profit. And currency, so 313 plus 117 is around 440 as of now. So let's see in another 2 days how much I can push. So this has been mostly the case. I'm sharing the trades, so in the video bottom you'll find the verified link for both of this, so you can go and peacefully have a look. So that's it, guys. Like if you have any specific questions also, you can do ask me. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.